Thank you very much for coming this session. My name is Sayaka Seike, an administrative staff member of International Student Mobility Division of Kyoto University. Today, I would like to briefly talk about the development of human resources to promote international student mobility at Kyoto University. So here's today's agenda. Firstly, I would like to briefly introduce our university's Human Development Program for administrators who are or may be in charge of international affairs. These are the Kyoto University's overseas training programs for administrators. Each program offers opportunity for administrators to work or join English lessons overseas at organizations such as universities or NPOs. The length varies depending on each program. I myself participated in Joint MAM program, and I would like to briefly talk about my experience. Here's the outline of the Joint MAM program. The program has been launched 3 years ago. It is divided into 3 categories: the program for students, the program for researchers, and for administrators. And here's the outline of my case. I participated in the program from 2013 August to 2014 September, so almost for 1 year. I have been dispatched to non-profit organizations at Washington, D.C., which is called USJI. My mission there was to operate USJI and occasionally carry the tasks assigned by Kyoto University. So these are the breakdown of USJI operations. USJI, US-Japan Research Institute, is a think tank which hosts various conference events such as seminars and workshops on US-Japan relationships. So my assignment there was like this. The main job there is hosting seminars, workshops, and conference events at Washington, D.C., and I experienced these tasks which were very new to me: logistics, PR, planning, and writing event report. The next thing is the operation of USJI Washington office. During my stay at USJI, I experienced relocation of the office. So I had a lot of negotiation with local companies, and it was very valuable experience for me. Networking was very important in order to expand USJI's project and collect donations. I think that I could contribute expanding USJI's network at some content, but not further enough to make new projects or to collect new donations. So these are the tasks assigned by Kyoto University. Basically, I plan and conduct most tasks on my own, but now I wish I had more communication with, I had more communication and cooperation with Kyoto University office so that I could have made more use of these opportunities for the internationalization of Kyoto University. Lastly, these are what I learned through the program. Especially, I re-acknowledge the importance of networking skill, cost effectiveness, and PDCA cycle, and the cooperation between faculties and administrators. From now on, I would like to talk about the new initiatives and framework for internationalization of Kyoto University. We have launched a new international strategy, which is called Double by 2020. We aim at doubling our internationalization indices by fiscal year 2020. So these are the numerical targets related to international student mobility: 600 participants per year to mid to long-term study abroad programs, and 1,000 participants per year to short-term study abroad programs, and many other targets. But the thing is, how to realize these targets. In order to accomplish these targets, we are working on this method. In order to increase the number of students studying abroad, we are implementing a variety of study abroad programs, and we are expanding the scholarship system. In order to increase quality assurance for international students, as well as the number of students accepted and countries and regions represented, we are broadening the scope of students eligible for tuition exemption. And also we are enhancing infrastructure such as international student housing. In order to promote academic exchange agreements and student exchange agreements, we are facilitating a flexible approach to establishing agreements, consider regional diversity, future potential, and other factors. In order to further promote internationalization of educational environment system, we will appoint international education administrators. So then, what is the? I'm sorry. I think IEA is expected to have expert knowledge of international education and play an intermediate role between faculties and administrators. Adding to this, I think the role of University Research Administrator, which is called URA, is also very important for the internationalization of Kyoto University. So then what is the role and the expectation to the university administrators? I think that the university administrator should be an ultimate generalist who can serve as a coordinator of each component. And I think these are the abilities which are required for the future administrators of Kyoto University. Comprehensive knowledge of organizational operations, such as accounting, compliance, etc., and knowledge specific to school affairs, and cost effectiveness, and communication skill, and English proficiency. So thank you very much for your attention.